Today in the Dirty Shop we're making these sweet rails with kind of a Celtic knot pattern on them for a guy's planter boxes. So it's just a little quick run on this pretty cool project. It's 1/2 inch aluminum, 1/4 inch cuts here, and it just makes this pretty sweet pattern. And he's going to paint inside of these and sand it smooth so that there's paint, the tracks or the grooves are colored. And it's going to be a pretty sweet setup. And hopefully I'll get a picture of what it's going to look like at the end.
Warning. This video may contain scenes of extreme untidiness. Viewer discretion is advised.
So we've got this all programmed up now on our machine. You can see it's just a line and it's center point to center point for the machine. And here it is milled out, the first part. This was our test part. And we're only doing one pattern on here, and on the big ones we're going to do 2 patterns. So we're going to get in here now and you can see us machine this sucker. Now that we've cut one side of this part, because I've only got 24 inches available for me to mill, and these patterns are 45 inches from end to end. So obviously I can't do it in one pass, and so I'm doing it in a second pass. It's just a pattern. So at the end of the program, I programmed my mill to move back to the first 0 point here, and then I'm just lining it up by eye so that the pattern, when it restarts, it will restart right here. And the reason I'm lining up by eye in this case is because it's not a precision pattern, and a few thousandths here and there is not going to really matter. It's amazing how close you can get things with your eyeball. So we're going to run this sucker, see how we do.